This is the brand new 2023 iMac powered by the powerful M3 chip. Let's unbox the blue version together. As you can see, the handle matches the color of the iMac, and matching colors is a trend with everything to do with the iMac line. So when we open it up, you're going to find the trackpad, which is an optional accessory, the mouse, the keyboard, 3 different styles of keyboard and sizes, color-matched cables for both charging accessories and powering up the new iMac. If you're looking at this and thinking, hey, this looks very, very similar to the 2021 models, you're not wrong. It's actually near identical. The big difference is now this new M3 chip, which is going to have some advancements in just your general workflow, but the graphics processing unit on this chip is going to allow you to play games that you maybe didn't think you'd be ever playing on a Mac. So that's your first look at the brand new iMac in blue with all the color-matched accessories. What do you think? Share your thoughts and questions in the comment section below.